Hi everybody, it's Miss Martha from the Stanton Public Library, and I am back again today with another Hanukkah video for you guys. Today's video is a craft one, and it's about making wrapping paper. For those Hanukkah gifts, it's sometimes fun and extra special if you use wrapping paper that you've made yourself. And here's one that I made with Star of David in two different colors of blue, and the other one has little menorahs, and again I've used two different colors just to make it pretty and a little more interesting, and they're both easy and fun. I'm going to show you how I did them. We'll start with the star one first. You're going to need a little piece of sponge, just like from the kitchen. An old one is good, and you want to ask a grown-up to cut this for you with a pair of scissors. Don't try to do it yourself, but you're just going to need a simple triangle shape, very easy for an adult. Then you're going to need a big piece of drawing paper like this. If you're wrapping a really small present, you can use smaller paper, but it's nice to have the big sheets. I'm going to use a little bit smaller one right now so that I can hold it up for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so I got my paper, got my sponge cut into a triangle, and I need some paint. And I've got dark blue and light blue. I'll start with the light blue. You can dip the sponge into the paint, but I think that it works better and you just get better coverage if you just paint it onto the sponge. Plenty on there. All right, and then you're going to press it down onto the paper, just straight down. Press it a little bit and then pull it straight off. Okay, so you got your nice triangle there. Now you're going to take your sponge and turn it so that the points are not lined up exactly the same. First, I'm going to put some more paint on there. Okay. If I put it on there in exactly the same way, it's just going to make another triangle right over that one. So what I'm going to do instead is to turn it, and I'm going to set it down for a second to press it. See how I did that? All right, let's try one with the darker blue. Put lots of paint on there. And then press down. Let's see if I can do it on my hand. Pull it up. That's a good one. And then I'm just going to turn it a little bit. Okay. Didn't get that one lined up quite right. Let's try that again, Miss Martha. Okay, there's the first one and second one. That's much better. Okay, so these are the two good ones. That's the mess up. So you just cover your paper with all these stars in different colors of blue, and it'll look really pretty, like this one. And you've got your homemade wrapping paper. Now for the next one, you're just going to need, again, paper and some markers. And we're going to use blue again. And if you have it, you can use two different colors of blue, but you don't have to do it that way. And we're going to be making little menorahs, and we're going to make the letter U. Here's how you start. I'm going to make mine really big just so that you can see it well, but you start in the center by making your extra tall helper candle. And it's just looking kind of like a tall, thin rectangle. There we go. Or possibly the letter I with no dot. Now we're going to go underneath that and draw the letter U. It's going to be big. Okay, there's my letter U. around the helper candle, and then I'm going to do it 3 more times for a total of 4. So there's number 2, number 3, and number 4. So we've got 4 letter U's with the tall helper candle in the middle, which gives us 4 candles on each side and then the one in the middle. Now you're going to draw a stick underneath and a crossways piece so that you have kind of a base. And then you're going to come back with your yellow or orange marker and do some flames. And for that, I just literally did just a little scribble of yellow there at the top. And mine's really messy because I did it in a hurry, but you can take your time with it and use some different colors, and you'll have some nice wrapping paper like this that you can use for your Hanukkah gifts. So I hope you'll try that out and have fun with it. I liked doing it, and it's pretty easy, so give it a try. And I'll be back again tomorrow with another video for y'all. See ya. Bye.